Alright, Rod ClicketyClick 66, this is Razor 1 calling. Just wondering how this Pearce Simpson Super Cheetah Mark 1's sounding out to your way there.
Yes, Ray, that good sounding radio, the old Super Cheetah Mark 1, same radio as I'm using, but I'd go as far as to say that you're using a stock standard microphone on that one. Very, very clean, Ray. 10-4.
Yeah, just a little, stock standard mic here, just a little Benelec. And yeah, no, thanks for that, Rod. Yep, and obviously the receive on this end is nice. You know, you sound really clear back this way. Would it be alright if we actually just QSY down one channel and try upper side, and just see how the upper side sounds on 34 there? Back to you.
Yeah, okay, QSY 34, upper side band.
Yeah, roger. Alright, see you there.
Now this will be a treat to see if my radio's on frequency there. Ray, go.
Yeah, no, you're right. It's pretty much the same, just a slight little shift. But look, I'm not too worried about that. But as long as the modulation is really nice and clean, and that it's really readable, yeah.
Yeah, it's very clean. If anything, I had to shift my clarifier as well. If anything, the audio is actually nicer on upper side band there, Ray Timber.
Yeah, awesome. No, thank you, Rod. Yeah, and honestly, I barely had to shift the clarifier, probably like, you know, about 1 mil's worth, if anything, on that clarifier. And yeah, likewise, yeah, nice, very nice, clean audio here. And I know you probably don't use AM a whole lot, but how about we blow those cobwebs out and try out AM, hey?
Okay, let's go. AM. Wait on this frequency, by the way, cheers.
Yeah, clickety click. Yep, nice and clear back this way. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, back to you. Yeah, excellent. No worries. Well, just finish up on upper sideband because it's obviously a little bit loud and clearer there. But yeah, really nice copy on AM, and I'll meet you on upper side. Yep.
Okay, upper sideband.
Yep, awesome. No worries. Thank you very much there, Rod. Yeah, I'll just post this one up, and thank you very much.
Alrighty, here we got a Pearce Simpson Super Cheetah Mark 1. Just giving you a modulation demo here by KiwiSDR. Right, like Tasmania, Launceston. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And next up, let's try lower sideband. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's our lower sideband. And next up, let's try AM. Tasmania, there we are. There's your modulation demo on the Pearce Simpson Super Cheetah Mark 1.